100 sentences using prepositions commonly found in everyday life. 1. She left her keys on the table. 2. The cat is under the bed. 3. I found my book in the drawer. 4. He stood by the door, waiting. 5. The flowers are for you. 6. She walked into the room quietly. 7. The coffee is on the counter. 8. They arrived at the party late. 9. I'll meet you at the park. 10. The picture hangs above the fireplace. 11. He placed the pen beside the notebook. 12. She lives near the school. 13. The dog jumped over the fence. 14. We walked through the forest. 15. The kids are playing in the yard. 16. He sat between his friends. 17. The letter is from my aunt. 18. The store is across the street. 19. She looked out the window. 20. He put the groceries in the car. 21. The jacket is behind the chair. 22. She ran along the beach. 23. He wrote a note on the paper. 24. The car is parked next to the tree. 25. The dog is inside the house. 26. She walked around the block. 27. The clock is above the door. 28. He placed the cup on the shelf. 29. The phone is in my pocket. 30. She is sitting on the couch. 31. They walked up the hill. 32. The keys are under the couch. 33. He lives far from the city. 34. The book is on the nightstand. 35. She hid the gift behind her back. 36. The meeting is at 3 p.m. 37. They drove through the tunnel. 38. The flowers are in the vase. 39. He is standing in front of the mirror. 40. She put the coat over the chair. 41. The store is open until 9 p.m. 42. He threw the ball to his friend. 43. The glass is full of water. 44. The cat climbed onto the roof. 45. She kept the letter in a box. 46. He placed the money in his wallet. 47. The shoes are under the bed. 48. They sat around the table. 49. The car is parked outside the garage. 50. The sun is setting behind the mountains. 51. She found the ring under the pillow. 52. The bird flew through the window. 53. He placed the towel over the chair. 54. The kids are playing at the playground. 55. She stored the books on the shelf. 56. The food is in the refrigerator. 57. He stood beside his friend. 58. The boat is on the water. 59. The car is in the driveway. 60. The dog is hiding under the table. 61. She left the letter on the desk. 62. The sun is shining through the window. 63. He lives in a house by the lake. 64. The keys are in the drawer. 65. The kids are running around the house. 66. She placed the phone next to her bed. 67. The computer is on the desk. 68. He sat on the bench. 69. The cat is sleeping in the sun. 70. She walked across the street. 71. The ball rolled under the car. 72. He put the book on the shelf. 73. The meeting is in the conference room. 74. She kept her diary in a safe place. 75. The flowers are beside the window. 76. He placed the plate on the table. 77. The dog is barking at the door. 78. She found her ring under the sink. 79. The lamp is beside the bed. 80. The book is on the chair. 81. He is waiting by the bus stop. 82. The cat is hiding under the couch. 83. She walked up the stairs. 84. The paper is in the folder. 85. The clock is on the wall. 86. He kept the keys in his pocket. 87. The shoes are beside the door. 88. The car is parked near the store. 89. She put the groceries on the counter. 90. The phone is ringing in the other room. 91. The cat is playing with the string. 92. The book is lying on the floor. 93. He placed the cup next to the plate. 94. The store is at the end of the street. 95. She left her bag on the chair. 96. The cat is under the table. 97. The dog is lying in the sun. 98. He sat beside her during the movie. 99. The car drove through the rain. 100. The flowers are blooming in the garden.